Hi, I'm Ali Herbachik, the owner, baker, and educator at Ali's Cake Creations in the beautiful Treaty 6 territory, Saskatoon, Saskatchewan. I'm a wife, mother to 3 small babies, a daughter of a residential school survivor, and the granddaughter of an Indian hospital survivor. At Ali's Cake Creations, we are proud to offer unique, creative, and artistic cakes, cookies, cupcakes, and other sweet confections, along with an educational truth and reconciliation themed cookie kit. In 2007, as a new mom struggling with postpartum depression, I turned to baking as a form of self-care. It was from there, in that stage of exploration and creativity, that I truly and deeply fell in love with baking and decorating. In January of 2020, I opened my first home-based business called Ali's Cake Creations. In my second year of business, the Kamloops residential school discovery was made and devastated our society. As an Indigenous woman myself with a family that has been part of the residential school system, this newfound hardship our society was going through was nothing new to the Indigenous population. It was only the people who had not been educated about the Indian residential school system. It was from there a call to action was made on educating our society on this history. But more specifically, a call to action was made on educating our youth so that they could grow up knowing and being educated on the Indigenous residential school system within the Canadian history. From here, I decided to create an educational truth and reconciliation themed cookie kit that provides an educational, interactive, and trauma-free form of education to families and friends all over Saskatoon. This educational, interactive, and trauma-free cookie kit allows family and friends to engage in meaningful discussion. The cookie kit comes with 12 sugar cookies, 5 royal icing packs, a custom sprinkle mixture, and an educational booklet written by me, sharing my knowledge, experience, and personal history with the residential school system. We are currently in our prototype phase. I have hopes and dreams to see this educational cookie kit on grocery stores and retail shelves all across Canada. While people are still listening, while people are still motivated, and while people still care, Indigenous business needs to be present, represented, and heard. Ali's Cake Creations has a message and the world needs to know about it.